As a part of this lecture, we'll try to understand what is the structure of write API. As we have already seen, what is the structure of read API. Core structure of the write API is we have data frame writer, we have format, option, and in the end save mode. The way we had load in case of read API, in the same way we have save in the write API structure. What are the basics of writing the data? The foundation of writing the data from a data frame to any other source would be data frame writer. It is almost similar to the data frame reader, except it is a writer. The way you can access the data frame writer by an attribute write. You got to provide the data frame name and you have to specify the write. Assuming that you have a data frame, the data frame name would be the retail data frame. If you want to write this to any other file, the way you should do it is data frame name, then write, then give the path, different options. We'll see the different options in the upcoming slides. The way we have different options to be provided in a data frame reader, in the similar way we got to provide the different options after the data frame writer is done. The different options being the format, save mode, and different series of options. At least you should provide the path where you want to store the data or write the data. The way we have Spark read modes, in the similar way we have write modes or save modes. The different save modes available in Spark are append, overwrite, error if exists, and ignore. If you have already seen the different modes of writing a file and all those things, more or less these are also same. Like append, if you have a file already existing in that location, it appends the records from a data frame from which you are writing into that particular file. In case you opt for a override option, what it will do is it will completely override that file which is existing in that particular location. In case if you choose an option error if exists, it will throw an error and fails the write if the data or files already exist in that location. In the last we have an option ignore. If you choose the ignore option, what will happen is it will just ignore, it will not do anything. It will just ignore and come out of that loop. Thank you.